Today we're going to get into some twist out natural hair products that I used recently. I love this combination of twist out natural hair products, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I used really quickly, and the info to all these products will be down below if you guys are interested, and I'll also put them in the comment section. If you guys are new here, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair, and I'm basically going to be using a combination of water, a leave-in conditioner, this one is by Cream of Nature, as well as a detangling brush. That is the Unbrush. I'll put that down below as well. And the new products that I'm going to be adding is this Carol's Daughter Moisture Jelly. I believe it's called Moisture and Hold Jelly, y'all. I initially got this for my kid and I decided to try it on myself. So we're adding this to our natural hair product lineup. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all these products as well as an oil. And then in the front of my hair, I'm going to be using the Jam Holding Gel. And that's going to be our natural hair product lineup. And I'm going to show you guys how I used it and how my twist turned out so beautiful and how my twist out turned out really neat and nice. So you guys, this style actually has lasted me about 6 days so far. I'm probably going to wear it one more day. So that's a whole week of a style. I love that for me. So the first thing I did is I went and sectioned my hair. Each section I wet the hair. My hair was actually in like a straight state. It wasn't in like a curly state, so I went in and wet my hair, not soaking wet. From there I added that leave-in conditioner. From there I added some oil. Now I didn't put oil on my twist in the back as much as I did in the front, and the reason why I add the oil is because I want to add some shine. I want the twist to really shine and look moisturized and not dry. So once I got towards the front, in the middle I added oil, in the back I didn't. And then I added that Moisture Jelly by Carol's Daughter. I made sure not to use too much, but I did make sure that it is thoroughly throughout that section of hair, especially towards the ends. And once I got to the ends, I wrapped the hair around my finger. So you guys, here's what my twist turned out looking like. It looked so good. I feel like this new product that I added to this twist out natural hair product lineup, it really just made my twist not only look super bouncy, but I feel like it helped with the longevity of the twist as well. They look so good. So this is about, I believe, 2 or 3 days later. Here's what the twists are looking like, you guys. Now I'm going to put that oil back on my hands and I'm going to unravel the twist from the bottom up. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to let you guys see what the twists look like. I made sure to put the oil on my fingers when taking the twist down so that I don't dry my hair out. And I also oiled my scalp and rubbed oil on the twist while they were still in the twist state before I began to unravel them. This is going to be a full week style for me, and I really love that because when I get ready to go to bed, I could just put my bonnet on, and as I go and I feel like my hair needs moisture, I can add some more of that oil to my scalp. So here is what the twist out turned out looking, you guys. I love this natural hair product lineup. I think it worked so well. I also did add that jam to the twist in the front that was like around my hairline just to make them lay a little bit better. But I think these turned out so bouncy and beautiful. The twist out looks so bouncy and beautiful, and the twists are really defined, y'all. So I'll put all the information, again, the products, in the description and comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.